Are you trying to decide between CapCut, InShot, and VN? You're not alone. Many people wonder which video editing app is best for their needs. In this video, we'll compare these three popular tools. Each one helps you create and edit videos easily, but they have different features and strengths. CapCut is known for its user friendly interface. It offers many effects and transitions. You can also add music and text easily. It's great for quick edits and social media posts. InShot is another favorite. It focuses on making videos for social media. You can trim clips, add stickers, and change the speed of your footage. It's perfect for those who want to create fun, engaging content. VN or Vlog Now is a bit different. It's designed for vloggers and more serious video creators. VN offers advanced editing tools and a timeline feature. This makes it easier to manage complex projects. Now, let's look at the key differences. CapCut is great for beginners, while InShot is ideal for social media lovers. VN is best for those who want more control over their edits. When it comes to features, all three apps have their strengths. CapCut shines with its effects. InShot is perfect for social media formats, and VN offers powerful editing tools. As for pricing, all three apps are free to use with optional in app purchases. This makes them accessible for everyone. So, which one should you choose? If you want simplicity, go for CapCut. If you are focused on social media, InShot is your best bet. For more advanced editing, VN is the way to go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons like this.